In this video, we'll learn mail merge, and with the help of mail merge, we can send a same message, or you can say some invitation message, or any kind of message, or some kind of similar information to multiple person with a different address, and it can be done with the help of OpenOffice Writer and some data source we'll be using. So before we start our mail merging, let us just design our data source first. Here I am using a simple Excel, and we'll try to save it in a different format. So let me save the file first. Let me show you how to save the file and in which format you have to save. So let me go and click the Save As button. Select the folder where I want to save my file. Now from here, Save As type, you have to select this OpenOffice spreadsheet. The last option you have to select Open Document Spreadsheet. So Open Document Spreadsheet you have to select, and then you can write the name that you want. So let me write the name here. So new address I have written, and then let me save this. So now this is my address, and here I will be saving my file. Here I will be writing the data, and after that I will be saving the file. So let me give the heading, some heading, and fill my Excel with some data. So here I have taken some 4 fields, and I filled 5 data into this. So we have name, phone number, email, and city. And after writing this, just click the save button. It will show the warning symbol. So just click the yes button, and it is saved now. Now all I need to do is to connect my OpenOffice Writer with that data source. But before that, let me type my content here. So this is something that I have written. So here I have just written something very very little in the body. So this thing will be common. Okay, so dear, you will be very happy to know this, and then the message, and then in the last I have written thanks. So now once I have created the content, the body, I have written the message, then now it's time to connect my writer with my data source, or you can say database. So let us connect it. So what we can do, we can go to this file, and then in the wizard I can select the address data source. Okay, so this address data source you have to select. You will get this here in file, wizards, and address data source. So if I click this address wizards and then address data source, a window will come, address book data source wizard. Okay, here you have to select this other external data source. So let me select this other external data source, click next. Then in the setting, click the setting. Here in the data type, you have to select which type of data you want, or from where you want it. I want a spreadsheet data type. Okay, so then click the next button. Then all you need to do is to click the browser button, and then find the folder where from you will collect the source of the data. Source of the data means where we have already written the address, name, city, phone numbers. So let us see how to do this. So if I click this browse button, then you will find my window is appearing like this. So select my address, okay, then click open. Once I click this, you will find the file is there. Then click the test connection, and it is showing the connection was established successfully. Okay, click the OK button, click finish. Then in the field arrangement you can arrange the field. Here we are not going to arrange it. Let me go and click this next button. Now we have data source title. In the data source title, here it is written address book 2, so I can change it. So let me change the address book name. So my new address book. So with this name I want to save. So let me click this finish button and complete the process. The file already exists. Overwrite. Yes, I want to overwrite that. So let me click this yes. Okay, so once I have done, so let me go to this here in the view, and in this menu let me now see the data source. So for that you have to click the view menu. In the view menu you will find data sources, so click that one, view data source. So you can see once I click this, you will find this source. You can see the source. I have changed my file, this my new address book, to my new address. Same thing I have done, because somehow I cannot see the data inside the sheet 1, so I have created the sheet again. So all the data same way I have done, no changes, and you can find some crazy stuff here. So what you have to do, you have to click this field, that is name. This name field you have to select, and then click drag and drop. So once I drag it and drop it, it will appear like this, name. Then let me take this email, then let me take this phone number, and let me take this city. Okay, then after there let me add the name. Let me give a comma. Okay, so once I have done this, then I can go back to the view menu and click this data source again. So now the data source I cannot see now, it is not visible now. So let us save this, and in one document I want to save. So after that just click file and then click this print. It will ask your document contains address database fields. Do you want to print a form letter? Yes, definitely. So click this yes button. Once I click that, mail merge dialog box will come like this. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to create a file. I do not want to print this right now. So you have to click this file here, and you have to select save as single document. So you have to click this file, and you have to select this save as single document. So once I have clicked here, then you can click OK button. Then it will ask to give a name. So let me write my new file with address. So let me save it. So I have done the connection. I have created a file with all my addresses having same body or same message. So let me check that. So let me open that file. So this is my file, and you can see we have the name, email address, phone number, seat, the place. So this is my first page. Let me go to the second page. You will find that the name automatically changed here. The email address, now phone number, place again change here, and the same thing is happening here. You can see dear, they are addressing different people. Okay, so within a click, with the help of data source, I have to create the body, and then with the help, if I connect the data source with the help of data source, I can create such kind of document within a click. So it is very convenient way to create documents for different people with same message. We can use another way to add similar kind of documents. We can create similar kind of documents with same content and different address. So let us do this. So for this, you have to click this tools, and then you will find here mail merge wizard. So you have to click this. Once I click, the mail merge wizard will come like this. So you have to fill this, and you can create a document. Okay, so what we can do, let me use the current document. Click the next button. What type of document do you want to create? Letter. Next, then select different address list. You can select, so click here, and it will show you all the address or data source that you have with you. If you are not satisfied with the available list, then you can create your own. So if I take this, so let us create one. So let me click this create button, and one window with new address list is in front of you. So all you need to do is to fill up the form, then click the new button again, and once you have done this, you can click the OK. So if you are not satisfied with all the things that is available here, all the fields that is available here, then you can change it also. So let me decrease the amount of fields available here. So I filled this data blank space against the data, against the field name. So now once you have done this, you can click this new button, or you can, if you are satisfied with one data, then you can click OK. So let me click the new, and you can see here it's 2 now. So again, say the same way, I have to fill the second entry. So let me fill the second entry. So this is my second entry. So let me click the new button. So I have done with my third entry. So I'm satisfied for now. So let me click OK, and we'll be working with 3 data. Then it will ask where you want to save your file. So let me save the file with a name. So let me write my name, new file with address. So I've written the name. Let me click this new file with address and save it. So now you can see it is my new file with address. It is showing here, and then click OK. Once I done this, now here the document shall contain an address block. So this address block, how it will look like, let me click here, and once I click here, you can see everything it is showing here. Okay, title, name, this zip and all, everything they are showing here. Okay, so you can click more, you will find more things here, more options here. Let me click OK. Okay, so everything is okay here. You can click the arrow button to see how it will be coming there. Then click the next button. Create salutation. Here you can select anyone that you find useful. So dear sir or ma'am, or you can go with to whom it may concern. Then so here you can see dear what they are saying. Okay, to whom may concern, I can go with this. Then we can go click the next button. It will say adjust layout, so I can adjust it here. Okay, I can make it down like this. Then we can go with, let me zoom and see what exactly I have written. So it is not showing here. Let me click next button, and you can see where it is coming, what it will come, where it will come. So after that, let me click this edit document. You can click, or you can directly go to the next. So let me click this next button, and it is showing edit individual document. So you can go and edit individual document. So I can click here. I am not editing individual document, but you can click and see the option. Click the next button, and then save merged document. You have to select save as single document, and then click this save document. Once I click, this is coming. So mail, okay, with mail I'm saving this. Okay, mail with address, with this name I'm saving. So click save button. So it is the document I have saved. Now click the next finish button and finish the process. So now if I open the merged document, you can find that Mr. and this address, the way I have selected it is here, and the salutation, dear Mr. Singh, it is coming here. Because the document was very small, so I place it little below. It must be here. Okay, so you can see in the next document, next page, the name here, different name is there. Third page, another name. So because we have only 3 data, so it is now here we have 3 pages with different address. Okay, which is clearly dedicated to 3 different person. So this is the use of the mail merge. I hope this video is helping you to understand what exactly mail merge is and how we can use different type of document, or you can say multiple documents with different address, but the body of that message, or you can say invitation letter or anything, the content which is same for everyone. So either you can invite some of your friends, so you can use this, or for other official work also we can use this, where the body must be common, and we need to add different addresses. So thank you for watching the video till the end, and I hope you have subscribed the channel. So keep watching and keep learning.